Marielle, it is so crispy outside. I was trying to think of a different word to say, like, oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Like crispy, air fryer crispy?
Crispy, like my skin is sizzling outside.
Oh, yeah, and it's gonna stay that way the next couple of days. In fact, it'll probably get worse just because temperatures are climbing the next few days.
Well, we live in Texas and we know that's what comes with the territory.
Yeah,
right?
Absolutely. So we can enjoy the rest of the year. I do want to take you out to Clyde Warren Park right now. Temperature of 88, heat index of 94. So we're already looking a little toasty out there. All right, so today and tomorrow are WFAA Weather Alert days. This is because of the dangerous heat. The high humidity leads to heat index values up to 107 at times. What you need to do is limit your time outdoors, hydrate properly, wear SPF, and always check the back seat. We have a heat advisory in place for a big portion of North Texas, including Tarrant, Dallas, Ellis, Navarro County, Denton, Collin County towards the northeast. Our Red River County is included in that. And again, it's because of the heat index that could reach up to 107. It's in place today and it's in place tomorrow. In fact, it's in place until 7 p.m. Tuesday. We could very well see this get extended into Wednesday and Thursday, because temperatures are climbing. Here's how today plays out in the meantime. Today, about 92 degrees at noon, and at that point, it's going to feel like 100 to 101. The heat index will be in the triple digits the rest of the afternoon with sunshine all day. A high near 98. That happens around 4, 97 then around 6, 94 around 8. Temperatures very slow to cool down today. 85 degrees still around midnight with a light south wind at 5 to 10. So the high of 98 in Dallas and 99 in Fort Worth is actually not that far off from what's normal for this time of the year. Normal is 97. South of DFW, we're looking at highs in the mid 90s, still warm, upper 90s if you're north of DFW. The heat index will be higher from DFW to the north and the northeast where the heat advisory is in place. Triple digit heat index a majority of the afternoon. A lot of locations to the south and to the southwest in the mid to upper 90s. With that being said, that's still considered dangerous heat, so be sure to take those heat precautions. 99 expected on Tuesday, so a degree up. 100 degrees possible Wednesday, 101 possible on Thursday. The heat index will also be anywhere between 105 to 107 for the rest of the week. This is looking likely to be one of the hottest weeks of the year, especially if we do make it to 100. And it will be the first triple digit heat day of 2025 at DFW specifically. A few locations have already gotten there. Look at Friday though, a high near 96. The heat, not just here in North Texas, it extends to areas to the east as well. Look at how many states are under some type of a heat alert. Over 30 at last count. That means over 100 million people are under some type of a heat alert, and that's for temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Every region has different standards for heat alerts, but certainly areas like Memphis, St. Louis, Kansas City looking at 110 or higher for that heat index. So definitely a dangerous kind of heat that continues. And on top of that, I'm looking at a severe weather threat for the far northern part of the country, anywhere from South Dakota to Minnesota to Iowa. A level 4 out of 5 for the potential of severe weather tonight into tomorrow morning. It looks like a line of showers and thunderstorms that could produce 75 plus mile per hour wind gusts, a tornado threat, and quarter-size hail or larger. Meanwhile, that ridge of high pressure I've been telling you about, it's going to eventually let up its grip across the southeast, which is good because those heat alerts have been in place for days now. That's going to move off towards the west. What that means for us is our temperatures climb on Wednesday and Thursday to 100 degrees. And then we're looking at some rain potential on Friday. That in turn is going to help bring in some slight relief with high temperatures in the low 90s Saturday and Sunday. And as we head towards that first week of August, it is looking again hot, but we've seen worse. Highs in the upper 90s. We'll be back.